Okay, first thing we did today is go to our class website. You get there by clicking on this icon in PowerSchool. Then you click right here for class website. Then you're going to go to the AKCIS website. And from here, you are going to see that this image right here will open up. And from here, you just scroll down just a little bit and click on Activity Map. From the Activity Map, you are going to complete all of these pencils, okay? So to do that, you can click on the pencil. And if it has a box, you will need to go ahead and insert today's date and then answer the question. Okay? So, what activities, clubs, or hobbies will you take part in during high school? So, think of something that you would maybe like to do. Maybe I would like to be in band, or maybe even swing band, because I know they have one of those. And you click Save Information. All right, then you click the home again, scroll down to the activity map, then look for another pencil, and you click that pencil, and you will go ahead and do what it asks for. So I'm just going to click this one. I'm going to scroll down. There's a box. Insert today's date. And this time it says, what 4 or 5 working conditions are most important to you? Well, what the heck are working conditions? So, look here. What are working conditions? Ta-da-da-da! You can read this little paragraph here. Click on this PDF. And below it says, do you want to work alone or do you want to work with others? Okay, maybe you're a team player. So I'm just going to highlight that and copy it. Go back to my Access website and paste in work with others. So that's a working condition. So we're just going to put number 1 and work with others. Okay? And then you just keep moving on. Number 2. You can click back over here. Work inside, outside. Ooh, I definitely want to work inside. Control C and space, Control V. So it says 405, so just go ahead and put 5. Click Save Information. And you just keep doing those. Click the home, go back to Activity Map, choose your next pencil. So that's what we did today. We worked on our Activity Map pencils.